Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, well, my name is Donna, so welcome. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a Fendi piece. And I've had this piece for quite some time, so it's not a real unboxing, but I just thought, hey, I still have the box, so why not just unbox it on camera? So without further ado, let's get started. So now let's take a look at what I'm going to be unboxing. So my piece did come in this yellow Fendi Roma box. And then look how cute this is. It also came in this little Fendi pouch. So it says Fendi Roma. And guys, we're going to be reviewing the Continental wallet with chain. So it's a WOC or wallet on a chain. And like I've mentioned before, I'm not a huge wallet on a chain fan. I do prefer just smaller bags. For my lifestyle, they are more practical and useful, but I do still have some WOCs in my collection. They're always good to have. So now let's take a look at the bag. It is a black bag, so it is all black. Black on black stitching. The hardware is in gold, so for hardware there isn't that much on the bag, but you can see the Fendi logo is in gold hardware, as well as the chain. And other than that, I think there's just the zipper in gold, so I keep it stuffed to protect it, as you can see. So yes, it's just the zipper that is in gold hardware. And this bag does come in a bunch of different other colors and patterns. You can also get it in Zuka pattern if you like. I just went with the classic black because I did want something that I can use with almost everything and just something simple and classic. So it is in 100% calf leather. The leather is kind of smooth, and like kind of soft at the same time. You do have to be careful with it because it can scratch easily. And the leather is, like I said, very smooth. It is kind of soft as well. As you can see, I can squeeze it fairly easily. It does keep its shape, but it's not a rigid kind of hard leather. It does kind of mold easily, if you know what I mean. So the sides of the bag are all in black as well. And as you can see, the sides do have this kind of like black coating or sealing. I don't really know what it is or what it's called, but it's like that shiny lacquer. I don't know, it might be leather, but it's that black kind of finishing. And the shape of the bag, well, the name says it all. It is the Continental wallet, so it's just a long rectangular shape. The flap does point lightly, which is very cool. And the logo is that like kind of sideways F in a circle. The closure is a snap closure, as you can see. And the closures do say Fendi, so you have Fendi on that side. As well, you have Fendi on the top snap. So as you can see, it does pretty much look like a long wallet. The inside of the bag is split into two main compartments. So you have this side, there's my cardboard, this side as well as the second side. And on the inside compartment like this, there are 6 card slots, as you can see, to be able to fit your cards and whatnot. This is just my tag that came with the bag. And the back side does have a long pocket like this with the Fendi tag. And you can see that this inside pocket is in like a material gauze grain cloth, but the inside of the compartment is in leather. Now on the front compartment, it's kind of the same divisions. So however, though, you do have 4 card slots only, which gives a total of 10, which is, for my personal use, more than enough. And you do have a long pocket, and the inside, like I said, like the other side, is in the material, while the inside compartment is in full leather. What I do like is also it does have these two long pockets at the front, so you can easily fit. I usually put my key in this pocket. It is in gauze grain, so it won't get scratched or anything, and it kind of stays safely in my WOC basically. Now the back of the bag is just plain. There's no stitching nor pocket nor anything. It's basically like one piece folded over on each other. There are no seams. And you can see that the strap is easily detachable. You do have these like D-rings, so you can either wear this very easily as a clutch or a wallet, or just change the strap into something else basically. And the strap is like this intertwined rings. It's a very nice strap, and I must say it is lightweight, so it doesn't dig into your shoulder, but it is a fairly comfortable chain strap considering it is metal. Now they do still sell this WOC on their website. Nowadays it is going for $9.50 Canadian plus taxes. I really don't remember the price I paid mine. I got mine a couple of years back though, so that gives you any information. Now let's just take a look at what fits inside. So now for what fits in my bag, or WOC I should say, it is fairly small, so you obviously can fit all your cards. I mean, there are 10 slots for your cards. For me personally, that's enough. You can fit some bills or papers, as you can see in the pockets. I do usually fit one key, so not on the keychain, just really the key in my bag. You kind of put it against the pocket and it fits snugly. My phone doesn't fit, so let's get that out of the way. Phones, especially nowadays with the iPhone X's or whatever they're at, XRs, I don't even know, they don't fit in this bag. It is really a small piece, very compact, and you do fit strictly your essentials, and for most your phone is your essential, and that doesn't even fit, so it's really strict essentials. So let's just take a moment now to look at the pros and cons of this bag or piece. And as surprising as it might be, this SLG or wallet on the chain does have quite a few pros. The first one is that it is a black color. It's a classic shape. I mean, you can use this for years and years to come. It's never gonna look outdated or just out of style. As well, it's perfect for those quick errands you want to run out of the house where you want to be hands-free, like per se if you're going on a quick grocery run and you just want to bring your wallet. Great, you can throw it over your shoulder and just walk out the door and you're hands-free for your whole trip. As well, it is a great piece for nights out with the hubby. Usually he's the one, well, usually actually all the time, he's the one who drives, so I don't have to carry any car keys, so it's perfect. I just throw it on my shoulder and I'm good for the night. And it is a lot more lightweight than most full-on bags, so that is another pro. Although the chain strap is in chain or metal, it doesn't hurt the shoulder, it doesn't dig in, just because it is so lightweight. And my favorite point is that you can dress it up and dress it down because of this chain strap. So the possibilities with this bag slash wallet, whatever you want to call it, SLG, are infinite. Now, as for the cons, there are a few, I have to be honest. The first one is that it is made in this like smooth, soft leather, so you do have to be a little bit careful with it. It does scratch fairly easily. I mean, mine, considering I've had it for a couple of years now, is in great condition. However, there is kind of like a scratch on this end. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but you do have to be careful with it, which is kind of, well, it is a con because you do have to be careful with it or else it will get ruined fairly easily. And the biggest con, as you might have guessed, is that it is a wallet, so it is kind of small. You can't fit much. Like I said, your phone doesn't fit in here, so you do have to carry it in your hand or elsewhere. So it is kind of a wallet in the strict sense of the word, with the chain attached to it. So if you're looking more for something where you can fit all your essentials, this might not be the way to go for you. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with my purchase. I mean, if I ever get fed up of wearing it as a walk, I can just detach the strap and use it as a simple wallet, which is great. And it is black, so like I said before, I mean, I'm never gonna get fed up of this. So the first way I wear this bag, and my favorite way to be honest, is over my shoulder, but as like a double strap kind of bag. So I'll just show you how it looks. So it kind of gives that like Fendi baguette kind of under your armpit look. And what I did to achieve this look is that I did like roll the strap over into the flap. So if I open the flap to show you guys, you'll see that the strap is in there. Second way is over my shoulder once again, but as a single strap. So like this. And I am 5'6" for reference. When I do wear it like this, the bag does hit right under my hip, which is fine for me, I don't mind. Third way, or the next way, is as a crossbody bag, like this. When I wear it as a crossbody bag, it does hit right at the hip, so it's very easy to get into and out of for my everyday purposes. And the last way I do wear this bag is as a clutch. And when I wear it as a clutch, I do remove the strap. However, just to make it easier in this video, I will put the strap in the wallet. And there you have it. You can wear it as a little kind of clutch bag like this. So that was my video for today. I hope you enjoyed my review and unboxing. If you have any questions, please don't forget to leave them in the comment section below. I'll be sure to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that thumbs up, hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload any videos like this, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!